Join Select Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Select Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Everybody must have are aware that there was this notification which has come of the government on 30, which was published on 30th October 2024, wherein the government has increased the land rents drastically and in an arbitrary manner. See, none of the parties are taken into confidence. Now, on what basis this has been made also is not made public to anybody. So, these rates, if one compares this to the prevailing rates, this is not double, this is 3 times increase in the rates. Some villages we have seen that it was 800 or something, they have made it to 5,000. On what basis? Nobody knows. Some places you find that there is no sellability. See, plots, properties, everybody knows. But it differs from location to location. There should be identification of property. There is no identification. A general rule is that yes, this village, this is the rate, which is arbitrary manner. So that is why we are going to approach the government. We are going to make a South Goa Advocates Association will be making a resolution to stop this notification by which they have fixed these land rates, and this is arbitrary. And secondly, we are also going to make a representation because last month there was a notification or a circular issued by the government that a certain body of people are appointed for fixation of these rates. Now the government on one side says that they have appointed a body to fix the rate, but at the second instance they have framed these rates and they have directly made applicable these rates also. So once you have already formed a committee, that committee should have been taken into confidence by bringing these rates. They have not been taken into confidence. Secondly, in that committee, advocates are not made parties. We have not been joined over them. Our say should also have been taken over. So that is why we are going to make a recommendation to the government that members of the district association should be part of the committee who fixes this rate. Now these 2 resolutions have been taken by us in today's meeting.